In this video, I'm going to explain what apologetics is and how it can help you and the people you talk to about your faith. Hey, it's your apologetics guy, McDowell. I'm all about helping you explain the faith with courage and compassion. If you want more confidence walking into spiritual conversations so you aren't intimidated by questions people have about God, Jesus, or the Bible, please subscribe and click that bell so you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. I teach courses in apologetics, and I really like William Lane Craig's definition of apologetics. He says, apologetics is that branch of Christian theology which seeks to provide a rational justification for the truth claims of the Christian faith. An apologetic just means a defense, and it comes from when the Apostle Peter said, "But in your hearts honor Christ the Lord as holy, always being prepared to make a defense to anyone who asks you for a reason for the hope that is in you, yet do it with gentleness and respect." And the word translated as defense in the ESV is the Greek word apologia. And so that's why it kind of sounds like apologizing. But of course, apologetics isn't anything about apologizing. It's not saying sorry that you're a Christian, but neither is it about making the other person, the person you're talking to, sorry that they ever got in a conversation with you. That's why we have the gentleness and respect part. I'm a big fan of apologetics as conversation, actual dialogue, where you're listening to the other person, you're engaging with them, you're not in debate mode. But studying apologetics can really help you as a Christian to have more confidence in the faith and to help you explain your faith to other people who see Christianity differently. Hey, if you're getting some value from this video, please hit that like button now. Now, there's two ways that apologetics can help people. For us as Christians, apologetics can help us confirm that what we believe is actually true. But apologetics can also help people who don't believe to begin to examine the evidence and discover that Christianity is actually true. So you can kind of think about it like soccer or another sport where you have your forwards and then you have your defenders. So like the forwards, you can use evidence to build a positive case for Christianity and help people consider the evidence that God is real or that Jesus rose from the dead, that we can believe what we read about Jesus in the Bible. Now, sometimes they say the best offense is a good defense, right? And just like the defenders, you can also respond to challenges that are raised up against evidence for the existence of God or the resurrection of Jesus. Both of these positions can work together, your positive evidence and your defense. I'm your apologetics guy, McDowell, and I'll see you in the next video. I've got a whole other video on cultural engagement and how to approach spiritual conversations, so I'll link that in the description below so you can check it out. There's a lot that needs to happen before you even get to sharing good reasons to believe that Christianity is true or responding to challenges.